and welcome to Pocketful of English with Miss Ina. It's another wonderful day to learn English with me. Have you heard about coordinating conjunctions? Do you know that there are 7 coordinating conjunctions? Quite a lot, huh? You'll learn about it later on. But before we begin with our topic, let me remind you to please watch and listen closely as there is a quiz after the lesson. So I think all of you are ready? Come on, let's get started. Coordinating conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words that connect words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. Conjunctions are also called connectors or joining words. Without conjunctions, we could only make very simple sentences. There are 3 major types of conjunctions: coordinating, subordinating, and correlative conjunctions. For today, we are going to focus on coordinating conjunctions. What are coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions join words, phrases, clauses, and sentences having similar grammatical structure. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions. They are easy to remember if you can just think of the acronym FANBOYS. FANBOYS. What does each letter stand for? For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. There are 3 most common coordinating conjunctions. What are they? And, but, or. Let's focus on and. We use and to link 2 words, phrases, or sentences that go together. For example, she bought apples and bananas. The conjunction and links the words apples and bananas. He went to bed and went to sleep. The conjunction and links the phrases went to bed and went to sleep. The bus stopped at the station and the passengers got off. The conjunction and links the sentences the bus stopped at the station and the passengers got off. Don't forget to use a comma before the conjunction and, as it joins 2 independent clauses or sentences. Let's move on to but. We use but to link 2 sentences that have different or contrasting ideas. For example, Tom ran, but he missed the bus. The conjunction but links the contrasting ideas or sentences Tom ran and he missed the bus. Don't forget to use a comma before the conjunction but, as it joins 2 independent clauses or sentences. Let's move on to or. We use or to show a choice. For example, I do not like to run or swim. The conjunction or links the words and the choices run and swim. He always sits in the library or in the classroom. The conjunction or links the phrases and the choices in the library or in the classroom. They will win or they will lose. The conjunction or links the sentences or the choices they will win and they will lose. Don't forget to use a comma before the conjunction or as it joins two independent clauses or sentences. Let's discuss the other four conjunctions. For, nor, yet, so. Let's start with for. We use for to explain a reason or purpose, just like because, typically with two independent clauses or simple sentences. For example, they had a lot of money, for they inherited millions from their grandparents. The conjunction for explains the reason why they had a lot of money. Why did they have a lot of money? They had a lot of money, for they inherited millions from their grandparents. Don't forget, use a comma before the conjunction for as it joins two independent clauses or sentences. Let's move on to nor. We use nor to present a second negative idea to link a negative idea in the first clause. Nor links two negative ideas together. Nor is less common than other coordinating conjunctions. For example, Paul didn't do his chores, nor did he finish his homework. The conjunction nor links two negative ideas. Paul didn't do his chores, and he did not finish his homework. Don't forget, use a comma before the conjunction nor as it joins two independent clauses or sentences. Let's move on to yet. We use yet to add a contrasting idea. Yet and but are quite similar, so you can use one for the other. For example, I really want a puppy, yet my mom says we have too many dogs. The conjunction yet adds a contrasting idea, that is, my mom says we have too many dogs. Don't forget to use a comma before the conjunction yet as it joins two independent clauses or sentences. And the last, so. We use so to indicate an effect, result, or consequence from an action in the earlier clause. For example, a baby bird fell out of its nest, so we took care of it. The conjunction so indicates an effect, result, or consequence. We took care of it, of the earlier action. A baby bird fell out of its nest. Don't forget, use a comma before the conjunction so as it joins two independent clauses or sentences. Should we always use a comma before a coordinating conjunction? Use a comma before a conjunction that joins two independent clauses. An independent clause is a clause that could stand alone as a sentence. Do not use a comma before a conjunction that joins two words or phrases. Be aware that if two sentences or independent clauses are very short, it is acceptable for style purposes to omit the comma. Let's look at the following sentences. Amy joined the maths club and Clark joined the music club. Amy joined the maths club and Clark joined the music club. Both versions are acceptable. Quiz time!
Fill in each blank with the appropriate conjunction for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Time to check the answers. Did you get perfect? Great job!
Thank you for learning English the easy way with me. See you next time. Bye!